we're off to pick up a replacement tumble dryer for the Hoover. For those who don't know, the Hoover has decided to pack up. So we're going to get a nice Indesit IS60V and we're going in the car to pick it up. And you're watching Florence Ballard A3060 on film. Florence Ballard A3060.
Doors will open on the right-hand side.
That's her there. It's an Indesit IS60V. Pretty good condition, just missing the kick strip. We can get a new one for that, or maybe not. Looks to be in good condition. We'll check if that works when we get in. Very nice seller. Unfortunately, I didn't get to film the bringing it in to the car. I wasn't too sure of the area we were in. It was in Northolt, so still got the sticker on it. Just needs a little bit of a clean. Apart from that, see if only the washing machines were this. That meant to have had feet there, I think, isn't it? Removed. Never mind. Okay. Yeah. Yes, I mean it's. Oh right. Have that. It's a bit loose. At the end of the day, it's just got to sit outside and last. Hasn't got a vent hose. That's fine. But we probably don't even need a vent hose. They can just vent straight out the back. We might have a spare one for it. We'll see actually. Let's get her out, shall we? It's been a while since we've done a pickup, but we needed a new dryer. When we go in, I'll show you how bad the Hoover sounds. It's really bad. Yeah, a little bit rusty this one, but you know what? It doesn't need any respraying or anything. I'm literally just going to put it straight on the back. It's going to sound about here anyway.
Yeah, just look, I'm trying to make room.
You hear that? Some people are doing. Look at this. It's got a plug bit to it. See? Nice solid plug. Guy was so nice. He said to me, "If any problems, give me a call 30 days." You know. Right, I've got a towel wash to do, so I'm going to put that on in a 9530, and then. I'll probably be able to run its first load this morning and get that filmed. 2 videos done in one. Literally just needs a quick wipe down and that's literally it. And maybe just a quick vacuum inside. We'll see if, yeah. Right. Unfortunately, this dryer's got no feet to it, which should be here. However, I've got the old ones off the Indesit integrated because the actual studs have sort of come off. They're not obviously in, but I could just have it sit on that while it upstairs on the balcony. I've got a third one here and in here to stop the metal scraping the floor. So all we literally need to do is grab a cloth, again, small bit of washing up liquid and water. And then just go around and clean it. Clean what you can. Like that. A lot of the dirt's going to be unavoidable. It's quite an old dryer. But it's a timer dryer, so I don't need to. So I'm getting myself used to the idea of timer dryers rather than sensor dryers, because of course timer ones are what I'm going to be having in my collection. So it's no point getting used to one sort of That's going to come straight out of those bits, I think. That's it, sits on them. Sits on them all right. Barbara there. She's looking what on earth? How many more are you getting? It's literally, for its age, it is quite clean. I wrote his name on there. Santal. 50. Oh, he originally was going to sell us at £50. I've just seen a 50. Look at this. I think you can make that out. That says £50 and some A7 something. And look, Santal. That's like an Italian. What's she done? A washing machine, any idiot? So, well, you must be an idiot then. You must be an idiot then. Hang on, so someone has just said to me, I put a post on Instagram, so I said, my friend Lauren says, well, this is the washing. I said, wonder what this is then. And she said, a washing machine, any idiot knows that. It's not, because it isn't a washing machine. She's made herself look stupid. I love when people do that. It's funny. These bits are annoying. I'm going to say it's a tumble dryer. She said me, let's have a look. No, I'm not. Oh, I am an idiot. They're really... Say, it's a tumble dryer. It's a tumble dryer. Yes, you are. Right. Santal. Of course, we're going to open it up and see if we need to vacuum inside. Even though it does look relatively clean, you can't ever speak for the interior of one though. I'm just getting off any fluff that's around here. Might get into the vents or anything. So again, no vent hose, but it doesn't really matter on the balcony, it just vents straight out. What do we need? 2 Phillips screws. We'll have a little look. I'd be very surprised. However, the white knight I had for nearly 2 years never needed a vacuum in its whole time. So I guess vented dryers probably don't, I don't know, I find the condenser ones, because everything's sealed, it gets more fluff in there. And then I'm going to show you the sorry state of the Hoover. So, I mean, it has lasted, don't get me wrong, for its proof, but, you know, it's not been very good. And it was a nightmare to slide back on this, yeah? Oh, wow. Just a very, okay. Only a tiny amount of dust in that. First of July 2000, no, 31st of January 2007 I got on the lid. But we'll look at what the, I reckon it's 2006, well 2007 it'll be. The guy's name I got from was Santu. I don't know if you can see. Look what see what's on the lid.
Oh yeah.
He wrote his name. And he originally was selling it for £50. So this guy I got it from had a storage container full of like other appliances, and I saw a few Hoover dryers and I thought, I ain't gonna say anything, but you know, beware of them. I know there are people that did warn me about Hoover, but you got to understand that at the time I needed a condenser only. Because now the weather's getting warmer, I can put a vented dryer back on the balcony and I can have it out of my room, have more space in my room. Just sort of push it, make it loosen up. But so I was very limited as to what I could get. See you later. Some are designed to look or match their washing machine counterparts. Now, like, I know there's a whole thing about like Indesit dryer fires, but you know, guys, I think even though it was a flaw with them, if you don't clean out any dryer properly, it can cause fire. I mean, you must remember how bad the Hoover one was when I got it. That was, I honestly don't know how that didn't catch fire, but that was one of them. So what we're going to do, I can just get the vacuum down. There's not even much needs doing. It's literally just all around the electronics and that's it. There's nothing at the bottom. So I'll just give the outer tub a wipe. And these towels are going to be washing the 9530, and then we can hopefully run the first load in this and film it. So it's time to like go back to estimating the dryer times. Well, it's also like with washer dryers I get. You know, I'm pretty much in my collection. There's no sensor dryer washer dryer I can think of that I'll ever have. So you've got to be back to estimating all the times. This has got good paddles to it, and not like those small little speed bump things that the Hoover has. There you are. Whole load of that's come off. Right, get the vacuum. I've got a vacuum hose there, and I'll just quickly show you. There's Barbara going with a load of towels. Program 1. So you're going to hear her in the background while we're vacuuming. We've got Hetty. Oh, that's satisfying. No rollers, just got felt bearing to it. Oh yes, nice. Big bit of fluff. nice and clean. So right, that's easy one. Sits on the barber in the background. I'll try and leave the guys there so you can see her of some sort. It's a bit of fluff around the door. Do I really want to bother taking the door off this thing? Yeah, we'll get the door off this and then we'll get the door off and we can look at just get that little bit of fluff out of the trims. Look at that. Everything's right there in front of me when I need it. There's 2 torque screws on this. What size they are. Perfect. Get that door off and then still very much like the IWME apart. Crosshead Phillips one. Basically it's just some fluff that's inside the door trim. I just want to get rid of it. And I know this thing's fully clean. This will dry a lot faster than we'll better check the power rating of this. Tested by T. Dando. I don't know who he is when he's at home, but he's who tested this. So relying on Mr. Dando to keep us safe that he's tested this. There's little bits of fluff here and there inside. And I'll just vacuum that out probably. Off without bloody there we are. There's no door latch to fiddle with. It's literally so I thought I'd just leave you guys to watch Barbara a while because you know you guys probably aren't going to see her now because I don't know when. Bloody hell. That's more toughened together than the washing machines are. So, oh, there's a nice, look at that, nice little long bit of fluff there. Oh yes, definitely need to get that vacuum in there. And then give the door a wipe, and then that's that. So there's build up there. Right, give that a wipe with, oh, I don't have anything now. It's all in the wash. Never mind. Little scour pad will do wonders, just with the smooth side. wipe the door glass first. So using the non-abrasive side. Get mucky fingerprints over it. Try hard. Really, it's just a build up. It's just a light layer of dust on it. That's what it really is. Right, I'll leave that here. Okay. Next bit. Door trim here. I'm trying to show you you've got good. Obviously won't be perfect, but it's the inside. Just make sure that nothing of this, you know, can sort of come back up and cause anything. I would say she's outside, so any dust is going to just get vented off out. Had to go behind. It was behind a Tesco, like a storage unit. And the guy had so many other appliances there. He had a load of Hoover ones. I thought, do I say anything about how unreliable they are or not? But, you know, really appreciate it, guys, that you've been trying to help me with it. It's hard to find something for me because, as I say, I have a lot of specific requirements. But now that the weather's getting warmer, we can go towards using a vented. That's helped me miles, has. A bit of green paint on that, I don't know if I can get it off. There. Right, I'll leave that there just to dry off. Oh, I need Hetty again. She's on demand. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I just want it to look okay. Right, I think I'll call it a day with that one. Right, so that's going to go in there to be cleaned. Okay, time to reassemble. Oh, not reassemble, but you know, I'm working in a small kitchen, and it's not very good. I'm just dancing all over the place. Might try the cloth. Well, mucky fingerprints all over it, but oh well. Oh, I can see the scratch where a hoodie zip or something has gone around that. Say, it's not going to look perfect because it's outside and it doesn't need to be a perfect looking dryer. So, right, I'll take your minor cloth. Okay, so we've got to sandwich this door glass between. Oh, there's still bits of white. How that got missed because it's on the inside. Right. The good thing it's a fully perfect circular glass, so there's nothing to worry about there. That should be a bit more round that way, I think. That's it. I hate it because it sounds like it's snapping, but you know it's just it all clicking together. There we go. Now to put the screws back in. It always says try and fit opposite screws first so it goes on more evenly. Barbara's not letting me talk, she's growling away in the background. At least though with Indesit, the doors aren't those kind where you've got to half split the door, pull it off its hinge, and then continue to undo it. I'm looking at new Bosch and Siemens with that, where you've got to kind of undo half the door, snap it off the hinge without breaking the thing, and then. Right, done. Let's get that back on the machine. Dancing and dancing around. So I've got to come to a bit of a balancing act. Oh, the door glass can just spin really easily on this. I didn't realise that. Oh. At least it can be rotated anyway, but I mean that's. Doesn't feel like there's any reassurance that it's not going to slide around. Okay, fair enough. Oh, got a light. Oh yeah, the torque one ain't magnetic, is it? Might be. As far as I know, that's not a magnetic. Let's be that kind, if it doesn't want to go in, it won't bloody go in. That, never mind, got one on. Don't. Yeah, that spins around, but what can you do? Right, now the all important part, let's get the lid on. Give that a test. Ready? Here goes. We've got to start. Okay, it's not blowing anything up yet. Watch the smart meter go up. Yep, that's heating alright. What is it? A rating sticker on this. And that's low heat. Smell the dust burning a bit. Leaf disturbed. Oh, yes, that's gotten hot. Got 2 panels there. Mine got the decent ones though, at least. Whew, blimey. Whew. Let's go around with a bit of a. Okay, just need a bit of a damp cloth to go around the inside. I'll just use. What's that bloody scour? I'll use another one. Oh, blimey. Yeah, that is definitely a bit of dust build up on that. Got a damp cloth, I've unplugged it from the mains. No soap or anything, I'm just going to go round the drum. And that'll just pull off any dust residue. Any residual dust that might be there. There you go, at least now that's right. Now for the task to get it up the stairs. Oh GEC motor and a supersonic hot point motor. Train sign. The motor's going to be in the freaking way. I wonder if I can just carry this. I've forgotten how annoying these. I cannot break the cabinet in any way on this because it feels like there's no lip. Oh wow! Bloody hell! Hey, that was easier. That was easy. That's staples. Oh. Well, I know I've got a sharp cabinet too at the bottom there. Jesus. I felt like it, wow. A bit nippy out there, but it's not bad. That's it. We are turned at the balcony. There we are. That was easier to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go around this way for it. Whole load of sycamore seeds there. It would have sat here. We've got a birdhouse here, so we don't want to be putting it like. Plus, having it here means the cable doesn't get shortened really. Because remember, with the cable, I had to put a cooker. Basically, I had to put a cooker lead on it and extend it. There we go. Oh. Wonderful. Let's have a little look. Fortunately, whoa, look at this. There we are. We did used to have it there. Obviously, do need that space at the back for ventilation. We can go there, vents it up out there against the wall, but we can always turn it that way if we need to do any filming or anything. We'll just go like that. Right, let's find a resting place. There's the sycamore seat. There we go. Right, let's go and have a look at that Hoover dryer now. Here's the Hoover one. It did a load of whites as the last wash. I was going to try and do a last wash with this, but I didn't want to I didn't think it would even be a thing. Look at that. So for one, okay, you're wondering how that dent happened. I got mad with it. Right. The start button for one fell through, so let's just put it on what I normally put on, store dry. Ready? Very rumbly, and you might hear what it will do in a second. So it's already very loud. You can literally feel the drum now there. That's the pump that takes it from the reservoir to the door. It doesn't work, and it just squeals. That's how bad it is. It does get hot, but you know, that's what it does. So yeah, that's that. That's the end of that. bloody useless thing. Done its job, but hey, could have done better. At least I know this one outside. It's very simple parts, nothing, none of this stuff. Just vents it out and that's it. Right. So I'll film a load in the. Okay, let's go down and look at the 9530, shall we? Excuse my hair, I'm in a mess because of all God, I have to sweep the stairs. There she is. I'll be wrung out in the Soooo, and then that's it. Look at that. There's a personal colour in there. So yeah, once that's done, we'll get on to filming that video. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm glad you could come along with me, and yes, we use my dash cam now for the footage. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to keep it supreme and go with the flow.